spent so long just wondering. For years I was adrift.
Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel, Simply CM, and today ay papunta na naman tayong work guys. Sobrang busy talaga ng buhay but it's fine. Basa pa yung buhok ko. I needed to take a quick shower talaga para magising. So anyway, I'll be working today 8:30 until 16, so it's very nice kasi may time pa later tonight na parang later in the afternoon na to do something else, ganyan. So, yeah. Kumusta kayo? Kumusta? Look at yung asawa ko. Drive ako sa work.
Don't look at the asawa. He's tired.
He's tired? Oh.
Yeah, don't look at me. I'm just a driver.
He's just a driver. He's very tired, guys. He has not been able to sleep. I don't know. He's crazy in the head today. Anyway, nakaganito na naman tayo. It is still August. It's still August dito. Pero maginaw na guys, maginaw kasi nga may bagyo, pero okay lang na survive naman natin kahit paano. So, yun, maulan at mabagyo at ano pa ba, anong nangyayari dito sa Denmark, tapos na talaga yung yung summer. So, yeah, the day is like, I'm just gonna be working and then gonna be off at 4 and I don't know what's gonna happen because Martin is gonna be going out to meet his friend who's Danish but has been living in Peru for like years. So now that guy is back in Denmark and then they're gonna be, kumusta, ganyan. So at 4, I'm not sure if I'm gonna go home directly or maybe I'm gonna sit there first in the coffee shop to relax.
Feeling rich, sir?
I'm feeling rich. Oh, it's not, there is like coffee that's only like 30 or something like that. But anyway.
There's also coffee at home that is free.
Yeah, but it's like... Duh! Okay, I can also do that. I don't know yet. Let's see what's gonna happen when I get off. So, pakita ko sa inyong view guys. Char. Makulimlim na umaga. Ganun. Hello guys, nakarating na din akong bahay after work. My God, yung off ko 4 ng hapon, tapos naghintay ako ng mga 1 hour doon para ma-pick up ni Martin. And my plan was supposed to like go to the cafe and relax doon, ganyan. Pero naisip ko din, it cost a lot of money somehow. I mean, kape itself, mga nasa 40 kroner, tapos mag-cake ka pa, ganyan. So, naisip ko, okay, wag na muna. I can always have coffee at home as what my husband suggested this morning. Pero yung ginawa ko is much better. Mas practical, guys, kasi bumili ako nito. Actually, ano siya, soap dispenser. Ganyan. Tapos, real price niya is 150. Tapos, nabili ko siya ng 50 crowns. And kailangan namin yan kasi yung luma namin na sabunan ba, lalagyan ng sabon, is na na siya parang, alam mo yung bumibili ka talaga ng isang ganun. Tapos, naubos na sa tinapon ko. Hindi ako nag-isip, tinapon ko na pwede naman sana ang lagyan ng refill. The other day, nakabili ako ng sabon na nakalagay sa plastic na medyo madami. So, naisip ko, wala akong ganito. So, yeah, bumili ako guys and I'm happy kasi naka-sale. Nagbibili lang talaga ako pag naka-sale. Sobrang kuripot ko. So, and this one, it's nice. In the long run talaga, magiging mas makakamura ka kasi nga, yung bibilhin mo is yung pang-refill na lang. Oh, yung naglalaba din ako at the same time. I'm productive ko today as in. There, lagay natin. Lagay. There. Tama ba itong mga pinagagawa ko? Yes. Of course it is. Ganyan. So, nabili ko siya and wait lang. Nabili ko. So, there. So, lagyan natin. So, sometimes it's also okay. I know na parang pag maaga yung off mo, kasi off ko today nga is 4. Tapos, I had 1 hour to like roam around, ganyan, to see things. Yun nga, nabudol tayo, guys. Yan. So, refill na lang tayo. I really hope it will work. Sana. Of course, it should work. Pag hindi mag-work, pwede naman siyang return, kaya lang sinira ko na yung box. But, I think it can still be done. Nasa ano lang yan. Usap-usap. Okay. Now, that's nice. Ang galing ko talaga. Ang galing ko talaga. Tapos mamaya niyan, hindi nag-work. There you go. Lagay natin dito. Lock it up. And then, it should come up automatic. Should it? Guys, hindi siya nag-work, guys. Wait lang. Kasi sa picture, ganyan ka lang. Tapos dito, hindi naman siya nag-work. Uy, nilagyan ko siya ng battery, but it's not working. Ano yung gagawin natin ngayon? No skip the on off. Number 3. Okay. So, naano ko na siya, press dito, tapos, oh my god, it works. Yes! Oh, stop now, stop, how? Okay, stop now. Oh my god. Okay, wait. Yes, that one works. It's so nice. Tapos, yung next na binili ko talaga is this one. Taran! Induction, guys. Lutuan. Their real price siya is 400. Naka-sale siya ng 250. Binili ko siya. It's because nga, yung kitchen namin, guys, hindi pa talaga ito tapos. As in, hindi pa tapos. Yung exhaust niya is hindi pa siya tapos. Kaya, yung pag nagluluto kami dito, very limited lang yung niluluto namin. Yung dapat hindi oily, yung hindi nangangamoy, ganyan. Kasi ang liit ng bahay, tapos walang labasan ng alam nyo yung smell ng niluluto namin. So, very limited lang yung niluluto namin. Ha? Paulit-ulit? So, anyway, naisip ko, medyo tagal-tagal na kasi sobrang kuripot ko. Gusto kong bumili nito. Pero, kuripot tayo, guys. And hinintay ko talaga na sana mag-sale. And nga, nag-sale siya to 50. Binili ko na. And what I like about this is that it will be very easy for me to cook outside. May electricity din kami outside, so i-connect ko lang siya. And then in there, of course, I can cook the Filipino food na love natin. May dried fish ako na nandiyan at hindi pa talaga ako nakapagluto dito sa bahay na to kasi nga maliit lang yung bahay and it will smell ganyan, pero now I got this, so pwede na talaga. Gusto ko din kasi yung mga luto-luto na very unhealthy, guys, ba yung mga fried, yung mga lahat na naka-fried, yun yung mga alam ko. Now, of course, later on in the future, magluluto din tayo ng totoo talagang pagkain. But for now, ito yung binili ko. I'm so happy. Yung ikakape ko sana kanina, magkikay at magkukoffee sana ako. Hindi ko ginastos sa ganon at nilagay ko na lang nito para makabili ako. And, yes. Open natin siya. Unboxing natin. Oh my God. I'm so happy. Oh my God. Ang OA ko. Ba't ba ang OA ko today? Anyway, yan na. Out. Maglinis tayo mamaya. Later, itapon ko muna yan. Kasi, for now, I'm excited. Yung husband ko pala guys, pinick up niya ako 1 hour after ko mag-work kasi he had to meet up his friend na Danish din, pero nandito sa Danish din na nakatira sa Peru. And then nandito siya ngayon sa Denmark, nagbabakasyon. So nag-meet up sila doon, somewhere near in Copenhagen. So okay din naman yan kasi long time friend na niya at nagkumustahan sila. So yon. And then now, si Martin naman nangangapit bahay. Yun talaga siya, mahilig siya sa socialization ba. Yun yung parang talent niya talaga, yung parang he's gaining his energy by socializing with people. Ako naman, mas feel ko talaga na parang nasa bahay, I'm just doing my own thing, ganyan. Pero syempre, sometimes hindi naman, nag-ano din ako, nagbabanbana sa iba, pero most of the time after work gusto ko talaga na nasa bahay lang at doing my own thing, load ng TV, ano pa ba, oh my god, mag YouTube, mag watch ng mga videos, yun yung mga gusto ko. Anyways, ito na ang aking nabili. Charan, ganyan. Tapos ito na yung kuryente dyan. So now, it will be very easy for me na makapagluto sa labas ng bahay. Pero, wala man ako sa mood magluto ngayon. What time is it na ba? Wala pa kaming dinner and I just really want an easy food. 6:25. So, but maybe I will probably cook this, like, make an effort today. Yeah, yun lang. Yun na muna guys. Basta I'm just excited na ipakita sa inyo binili ko today. Sosyalin din siya kahit papano ba kasi may mga paganito din ba. First time ko magkaganito guys kasi normally yung normal lang na parang connect tapos ang tawag na mag-heat dito guys. Ito may mga buttons ka pa na i-click-click. May hot pot, may stir fry, may barbecue, may water, may soup, may milk, tea, rice. Yeah, may mga function. Ganyan. Anyway, I'm happy with this one. And now, kailangan ko nang i-hang yung mga damit na nilaban ko. So, busy.
Summer's day in Shepherdstown, an eagle in a thermal is a circling around like a tire on a bike rolling down Columbus Street. But Katie got a little look of hope in her eyes and her arms unfold and she looked to the skies and said, I'm gonna learn to fly around with you, yeah. She jumped up high and she fell to the ground and skinned her little knee and made a horrible sound. She got right up and she tried it again and smiling all the way with her unstoppable grin. Take time, do what you're gonna do and just smile, you're gonna see it through. Your wings are gonna sprout and lift you off the ground. No, take time, do what you're gonna.
So yun nga guys, first time kong gamitin yung binili ko. Sobrang init niya. I don't know why. Tapos nag-adjust ako dito. Pero anyway, it's my first time. Huwag niyo akong i-judge. And kahit pa paano masarap naman yung niluto ko. Natikman ko na. But anyway, yun. Tan yan. Woo! There. Yeah, I think that's cooked now. That's fine. It's more than cooked. But yeah, that's it guys. Focus na yan. Guys, nakaluto na ako. Ang galing ko. Anyway, niluto ko din siya. Ito, ang sarap-sarap. In-adjust ko yung guys, yung parang setting dito ba. Because if you actually push stir fry, then it's gonna be super warm. That's what happened sa eggplant ko. Tapos, tinay ko lang ang rice kahit hindi siya rice. Mas naging controllable yung heat niya. Sarap. Rice na lang yung kulang. So now I'm ready. Sarap-sarap. I'm so excited. Look at that. My rice, my dried fish, tapos my eggplant. Ito guys, ito na yung perfect na dinner ko talaga. Na-enjoy ko talaga siya. And then, yeah. Try natin ba kahit na overcook siya. Anyway, and this one is vinegar. Suka. Sarap. Iba pa rin talaga pagkain Pinoy eh. Iba-iba na yung mga nakain nyo, ganyan. Bumabalik at bumabalik ka pa rin sa pagkain Pinoy. Sarap, grabe. Dito ako kumakain guys kasi si Martin nagwa-watch ng TV ba. So para hindi nyo marinig, walang istorbo ganyan. So mas mabuti dito ako. Grabe, ang galing ko pala magluto eh. Sarap. Tingnan nyo. Ooh, yumshy. Wait lang. Kinulang tayo sa ganito. Kasi plano ko sana, some of this, I'm gonna be like bringing it tomorrow. Kamayin ko na ako lang din naman. Bringing it tomorrow para sa work ba. Yeah, there's still some. So, libre na yung ano natin, lunch natin. Wala nang iisipin. My God, ang ginaw na dito eh. Talaga, it's so weird dito sa Denmark. Grabe. As I said earlier, this morning, grabe ang ginaw. As in, maginaw na talaga. Tapos, during pagka-off ko around 4, biglang mainit, summer sunshine. Nung sinuot ko to, nainitan na nga ako sobra. Tapos, after nun, now, sobrang ginaw na naman. Parang confused ang Denmark kung magsa-summer pa ba sila o magwi-winter na. Tapos matatawa ko na lang kasi yung sa shop, diba? May mga nakikita kang tao na naka-shorts pa, na naka-sandals pa. Pero may mga nakikita ka ng taong naka-jacket na parang confused kung anong susundin. Busog. I'm so happy sa nabili kong lutuan, guys. Kanila lang kasi first time ko siyang gawin. Hindi ko makontrol yung parang init niya ba. But then again, when I put it into, because there's a lot of option, whether you put it in a stir fry, you put it into soup, or you put it into something else, and then I tried to put into the rice. So, okay yung ano niya. First time ko magkaganyan. As in, kasi yung normal is yung, alam mo yung parang hot plate ba tawag yan? Hot plate lang na ganyan, tapos heat na. Tapos ito, nakasale kasi siya, kaya yan yung nabili ko. So, yun. Very nice. Very handy. My God. May laman pa bibig ko, nasasalita na ako. Sorry, excuse me. Ang tagal ko bago matapos kumain, guys. But anyway, guys, I can see na nagdadadadat na yung battery. So, malapit ng malowbat talaga. So, yun, i-end ko na yung vlog na ito for today. Thank you so much for watching and enjoy the rest of your day if day pa sa inyo. Ako naman ay paggabi na. So, good night.